I've made over $1 million worth of sales selling simple items on eBay. And I make over $100,000 every single year from one of my eBay stores just selling these simple items. And I can help you too. I've now helped hundreds of people set up their own successful eBay businesses. So if you want my help too, guys, I can share with you 3 things that you can do right now to help you get your eBay store off the ground. And I've also got a 100% free mini eBay course that you can click the link down below and you can sign up on that now. Fully free, 100% free, no credit cards, nothing like that, 100% free. It's my gift to you. So if you're interested in that, guys, if you want a better future, if you've got a crappy job and you want to improve in life, click the link down below, guys, kevtalbot.com/eBay42, and I'm going to help you there. All right, guys, enjoy the video. Guys, in this video we're going to test a HBX Transit on the skate park. What's going to happen, Stephen?
Break it.
Everything else broke today.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Oh. Alright, so that's in low range, and now we're in high speed mode. What are you laughing at, Stephen?
Nothing.
Ah. Oh.
Run.
Oh, what a letdown. It's definitely not fast, but I don't think it's really meant to be fast. We can make it fast and brushless though, Stephen.
AS?
Oh, AS. Alright, so we're up here on this little dirt place, probably a little bit more homely to this thing. So let's give it a little blast and see how good it is. Hey! Alright, bit of low range. Low transmission in. You can actually crawl it really slow. Uh-oh. Oh, how did that land? Oh no, no! He flattened the Transit.
There he is.
Just time for cheers, dude. Oh, that's a shame. It's stuck to there. I was hoping it was still stuck to this. Then I could have mounted it somewhere else.